Hi YouTube, Tim Market here. In this video, we're going to look through some questions where you're given a table and you have to come up with a function that's a linear function to describe the values in the table. This is something that you could see on the SAT, and it's like a problem that I saw on practice test 4 that College Board provides online. I'll leave a link to that in the description if you want to check it out. All right, so let's look at problem 1 here. We're given a table with x and f of x values. X values are 0, 1, and 2. And then we start with an f of x value of 44. So from this, we can say that our y-intercept here is going to be 44. Let me get that a little bit larger. So it's going to be 44 here. And that's really our b value if we're having our function in slope-intercept form, which would be f of x equals mx plus b. So our b is when x equals 0. That's where it crosses the f of x axis. If we're going to graph this as x, f of x, sometimes you'll see y equals f of x. So the f of x is the vertical axis. Then we want to figure out our slope. So our slope is how much of a rise you have when you run 1 on x. So what I mean by that is as you increase 1 on x, here we go from 45 to 50, so we increase by 6. Okay, each one increases by 6. So our slope here is 6. So we're going to say f of x equals 6x plus 44. Okay, so when you're increasing by 1 on x, you can just look at the increase of f of x. That's going to be your slope. And when you have x equals 0, you look to the f of x value. That's your intercept. Okay, so I'm going to go through 3 more of these problems. As we go through them, if you want to try this on your own, I would suggest pausing the video and then working it out on your own, and then letting me go through it and see if your solution matches mine. Okay, let's look at the second problem. Same thing, we're given a table with x values 0, 1, and 2, and f of x values 33, 28, and 23. We'll start with our intercept here. That's 33. So I'm going to say f of x equals, and we'll leave a space here for our slope, and we'll say plus 33. Now we've got to figure out what our slope is. We're increasing by 1 on x, but we're decreasing by 5 on the f of x values. So we're going down by 5. This is a minus 5 here. So we're going down 5 each time. So we have a negative 5 slope. So our function is f of x equals negative 5x plus 33. Let's keep trying a few more. All right, so this next one, we have a table, again, of x and f of x values. So let's start. We're going to write f of x equals some value times x, which is our slope. And then our b value is negative 10. So I could say plus negative 10, or I can just say minus 10. Okay, now we've got to figure out our slope here. So from negative 10 to negative 6, we actually add 4. So we add 4 as we go 1 on x. We go another 1 on x, and we add 4 again. So our slope is a positive 4x. So our function is f of x equals 4x minus 10. Let's keep going and do one more. All right, in this last one, our intercept here is 100. So we're going to say f of x equals whatever our slope is times x plus our intercept plus 100. Okay, and we've got to figure out what this slope is. So when we go from 100 to 66, we increase 1 on x, but we decrease 34 on the f of x value. So we go down 34. And when we go from 66 to 32, we go down 34 again. So our slope is actually negative 34. Trying to make that 3 good. So our function here is f of x equals negative 34x plus 100. Hopefully this video was helpful to you. If it was, please give it a like and subscribe.